Good afternoon, everyone. This is a video of the penthouse suite on the main building at Secrets Maroma Beach Resort. Starting from the front door, we got the complimentary honeymoon package, which gives us a nice little sash on the door. Walking in, here's the bathroom. Nice double wooden doors. Privacy if one wanted. Got a jacuzzi tub with curtains separating or opening up to the main area. Double sink. Bathroom, toilet, and the shower. Room comes equipped with a coffee maker and a mini bar, stocked with soda and beer. Of course, the king-size bed, complimentary robes, slippers, entertainment unit, a safe. Closets on either side. Through. Nice seating area over here, as well as 2 glasses and a bottle of champagne as part of the complimentary honeymoon package. Walking out here, we got double doors leading out into the large patio. 2 chairs, a large day bed, and a nice little bath for outside. We're on the top floor of the main building with a very nice ocean view. We're facing due east with incredible sunrises every morning. If you look over there, we even have some cruise ships passing by. Overall, everything is very quiet and absolutely beautiful.